the IBM Lexmark Wheelwriter 3500. This isn't your average typewriter. With its wide carriage, it's built for bigger projects, spreadsheets, and anything requiring that extra horizontal space. Think large documents, legal papers, or even oversized creative projects. Forget cramped margins. This machine gives you room to breathe. One of the standout features is the impressive 60,000 characters of internal storage. That's a game changer for repetitive tasks, form letters, and storing frequently used text blocks. Imagine the time saved not having to retype the same information over and over. The display, while simple by today's standards, provides essential information like character count, line number, and formatting options. It's a functional display that adds to the overall usability of the machine. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. The Wheelwriter 3500 uses a print wheel, which delivers consistent, high-quality characters. It's a classic typing feel with a satisfying mechanical click. While it might not be as silent as modern printers, there's a certain charm to the sound. The push-button controls are straightforward and easy to navigate. You won't find yourself fumbling through complicated menus. Everything is clearly labeled and logically placed. This typewriter is built to last. It's a robust machine designed for heavy use. While it might not have the bells and whistles of modern word processors, it offers a reliable and efficient way to create professional-looking documents. So who is this for? It's perfect for anyone who values a durable, wide-carriage typewriter with a large memory. It's ideal for writers, legal professionals, or anyone who needs to produce high-quality documents without relying on computers. The IBM Lexmark Wheelwriter 3500 is a classic piece of office equipment that still holds its own in today's digital world.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.